Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technlogyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can personalize news, tips, and offers for Soundcloud products. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technlogyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Soundcloud app on your device. Now, tap on the library icon. After that, select the gear button. From here, tap on the communications. After that, toggle on the button. And that's it. This is how you can personalize news, tips, and offers for Soundcloud products.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.